Hello, guys, and welcome back to your channel. I love 164, and today we are going to do another unboxing from the Hot Wheels Card Art Premium Set. It's a silver series. It has all the 5 trucks, and I'm not sure if this is a new casting or this one, but they all look awesome. So let's start this from the number 5, and I'll open this up first. Look at the card art. This is Toyota off-road truck. And let's open this up. I'll try not to damage the card, as you guys know. Always try to open these up without damaging the cards. And see, it comes out intact. Look at this truck. I'm not very familiar with this one. I'm not sure if this has been released previously or not. Maybe a couple of them have. And this one have not. But there is a great thing about this particular casting. And what is that they used metal base for this. You can see the metal base. Due to which this casting is quite heavy. Isn't this awesome? I'll put this on the turntable and so that you guys can review it closer. Wow, what a cool casting this is. I really like these 6-spoke rims on this in the red chrome kind of look. We have headlights, and even on the headlights it says something. I'm not able to read it. Has all the cool deco on the sides, on the front as well. I really like this. It does not have any windows, but it still look cool. Wow. This is awesome truck. So next we have is this awesome guy. It's a Toyota Land Cruiser 80. I mean, see, this is a cool set, right? And the best part is they all are trucks or off-road vehicles. And I really like off-road vehicles. Maybe I have told this earlier or not. But I really love these vehicles, off-road vehicles. Look at this car. Look at this Land Cruiser. No, base is plastic. So I think the Hot Wheels use this kind of stuff now, that in 1 out of 5 they are using metal base, because we have seen that in BMW set as well. Let's put this one on the turntable and have a closer look. Let's remove this. Actually, I'm using these to keep these stand properly. Look at that Toyota Cruiser. Yeah, the best part about this set is they have all the detailings, especially the front and tail lights, because it doesn't look good without them. And these kind of sets, these premium card sets, are just so cool. They have all the headlight details and all the side details with the 1989 on it. And I really like the wheels actually. Look at the wheels. They say Hot Wheels, and on the front also they have Toyota logo on it with the headlights. It's cool. The color is not very cool, but the car is. Let's move to the next one. Next up we have another Toyota Land Cruiser. What's wrong with Toyota? They don't have names, any more names to call their trucks or cars, anything else. There are too many Land Cruisers. I really like all of them. I love this casting. Look at this. Look at this truck. This looks so cool in this red. And those wheels, those 6-spoke wheels are so awesome. The base is plastic, of course, but this is a cool casting, especially in the red. Let's put this one on the Tundra Plus one. Here is your another Land Cruiser. Out of all these, I think the wheel placement on this one is the best. They are a little wider than the other cars, even though the spoke wheels are kind of same, I guess, from the very first one. But I really like this casting in red with the Toyota logo on the back. Tail lights we have, on the sides we have all the detailings. The roof is white. The hood, we have all the trim and front lights with the Toyota logo. This is cool, man. This is so cool. This is so awesome. Let's move to the next one now. So next up we have this Toyota Tacoma. It's a 2021. I think I have a few of these in different colors from Hot Wheels. I think one is white. What is recently I have opened in, look at this. Wow. Base is plastic. And look at that. These are actually the same kind of wheels that we saw in the previous one, on this one. But it's just like that, those are chromed and these are not chromed. It is actually a very good casting from Hot Wheels. Really good casting. As I said, this is not the first time I'm seeing this Toyota Tacoma. But the best part so far, that all the variations I have for this color have all the details, just like this one. Especially the front lights and tail lights, because they are the most important part of the car, and Hot Wheels should make it, even in the basics, I guess. They make in some basics, they don't do it in some basics. There's some thing they do, like on the sides they make some, but this one is perfect. Front detailing, side detailing, tail lights, everything is balanced and perfect, and the color looks cool as well. Maybe someday I'll show you all the 3 variations. Maybe I'll put it on my Instagram. You can find my Instagram link in the below description. I'll leave it for you guys so that you can go and follow. Now let's move to the last one. And next up we have this huge 2010 Toyota Tundra. I don't know, it's Tundra or Tundra, but it's TU, so I'll call it Tundra. Look at the car out. Look at the truck. Let's open this big guy. I have ripped this one a little because this is quite a big truck and the most sickest one in this set. The base is chrome, it's not metal, it's plastic, it's not that heavy. Let's put this on to review. It's a beautiful casting actually. This truck is actually very huge. very huge. And it is so damn good in this black color with the chrome detailing in the base. The wheels are chromed with the Hot Wheels logo on them. You can see they have the side bumpers. These are like modified kind of. And we have Toyota Tundra on the back with the tail lights. These have focus lights also on the top. I don't know what you guys call it, but it's a cool truck with all the detailings on the front and side as well. I'm really in love with this set. It's a cool set, really cool set. Must have. You should get it if you do not have it so far. So that was your silver series for today, guys. I'm really digging this truck series. I mean, I love it. I love it. It's all Toyota. They are all trucks or off-road vehicles. I love it. I'm digging this setup. Thank you so much for watching this. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.